So this is just a single tree.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah!
See, it's really windy in here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. Life at risk. On fire. Polytechnic on fire. Oh, so. Yo, what is up everyone? Good morning and welcome back to my new vlog. Already been taking sunbath, so gorob nagsi dito. Yeah. I need to go back. I am still here in Askudo, by the way. I came yesterday, so I stayed over. I'm planning to go back to village today, but even my friend who is here wants to visit my village, so we're planning to go together. Ito karne, I might have to come back again along with him, but we'll see. For now, we'll just be here. Right now, I am at my cousin's place, my sister, and my aunt's house right there. I'll take a little bit of wash up and proceed with the rest of the day. What the house is this, by the way? If I call it pussy, it will come running to me. Pussy, pussy, pussy! Pussy, pussy, pussy! Pussy, pussy! Pussy, pussy! Fast, fast, fast! Pussy, 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 pussy! Pussy, come here. Pussy, pussy. Pussy, pussy, pussy. Come, come. See. She's adorable. She listens to me. Pussy, pussy, pussy. But she is also very aggressive sometimes. Meow. See, that is where I slept last night. And Bimbo is still sleeping. Just kidding. Everyone is jobless at home, so. Yeah, and Uncle is busy making that. He's professional. He's been doing that forever. Rocky, Rocky! Dang. We are on our way to village, but we are still in Askudo though. Went to the shop to get some biscuits. It's so windy in here, but at the same time it's hot too. And sunny. Aha. Kiva dikhao actually power. Power is a power. With Mr. Bobby. My mom is calling. I gotta pick up. Welcome to my village. We are here finally. That is 100 years centenary stone. It's so windy. Awabishimari Asay! Headed to the village and I kept my clothes drying in and around here yesterday, but half of them is somewhere else. I don't know, I'll have to search for it. One is right there, see? And another one is still missing. But I will get it. It's not gonna be far. Since my friend is here for the first time, we are going for a walk. Walk to Imlo. I mean, we've been walking for quite some time, so now we have reached Imlo. See? Just me. I can see my grandma's cemetery. I mean, grandma's grave right there. That is made in memory of her. So sad. This is Imlomi village. Just a little bit of it. See, the most unique graveyard you'll ever see. Oh, by the way, we made it to an old place. I think this has a lot of history to it. I do not know the details about it, but this was once upon a time the house of the British during their era. See, all the Jubilee stones are kept here. famous tree. And this place is really cool. It's a beautiful place to stay, to relax, you know, from anywhere, especially when you're on a journey. It's a really nice place to relax and chill. See, check out the trees. But right now, I think it's under maintenance, or they have just kept it like this. But I'm sure they will maintain it once again. I do not have much knowledge about these houses, but it is said that these were once the house of the Britishers once again. During World War times, I guess. See, check out the comparison. Bobby! Oh, sorry, Jason, Akbar. Tadi. Ah. Yeah, just wanted to compare. Okay, thanks. And you know, I don't know, it's very unique, this tree. See, it's joined. The rope that comes down from the tree, it once it touches the ground, I think it goes underground and becomes under the tree. Or Najane. Ah. See, this is just a single tree, but it looks like there are so many trees. We can build a good tree house up there. When we were a kid, we used those ropes, as you can see. Those tiny ropes, we use it to swing around. I don't know if I'll be able to do it now or not. It's still possible, but it have gone too far. Let's give it a try. But I don't think... Oh, yes! Let's see if I can reach or not. See. Oh, man. Okay, I think it's possible. Alright, I'll show you guys. I am scared. It looks like it will break. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah, it is still strong. Once more. Woo. This is nice. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ah. Man, swinging here was fun. It's a little scary, but chalega. Hey, Bobby, you gotta be careful. Hey, high chance to break. See. This is one hell of a tree. There is one right there as well. See, it's really windy in here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. This is another tree. I thought I'll swing here too, but it's very risky. One piece and goodbye. You may never see my vlog again. This is why, no risk. Or else, see, there are a lot, especially this side. See. But gotta be very careful. This is no joke. Life at risk. So I better not take risk. It looks like half of the tree is dead, but staying strong still. Ah, really cold. Shoot. Oh. Sasuvi Litsampu, welcome to Litsami village, it says. Yep, this is it. Look how the sky, look how the shine through. Why do I keep on singing when my voice is terrible? See, this is how you cultivate beans in order to protect them from chickens. Earlier it was welcome to my village, but now bye bye village. I'm going back to Askuda again for today. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll be on our way. We'll be walking for about 10 minutes 10 to 15. No, just at 20. Yeah. But we just had dinner a while ago. We had dinner, so gotta walk for digestion. Mara, on fire. This city is on fire. Polytechnic on fire. Oh, so. Yeah, that's gonna be all about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good night. Peace out.